Kerala enjoys unique geographical features that have made it one of the most sought after tourist destinations in Asia. An equable climate, tranquil stretches of emerald backwaters, a long shoreline with serene beaches, lush hill stations and exotic wildlife, waterfalls, sprawling plantations and paddy fields, historic and cultural monuments, enchanting art forms, the traditions Kathakali and Mohiniyattam that are highly evolved classical dance forms. Magical festivals, Ayurvedic health holidays. Kerala is one state in India which is popular for use of Ayurvedic medicines. An exotic cuisine, herbs and shrubs are said to possess certain medicinal values. In order to make a healthy living, one such tree species evolved which is called Padimugam tree. It is also known by the name sapin wood or Eastern Indian redwood. Padimugam is widely used since ancient days and is an excellent herbal medicine. If Padimugam is boiled in water, the water gets purified and thereby drinking this water can prevent epidemic diseases spreading through water. Experts state that Padimugam can prevent and cure diseases like certain types of cancer, kidney disorder, piles, cholesterol, blood purification, stomach ailments, skin diseases, diabetes, cure anti-thirst, heart problems, improvement of complexion, and several other properties. For preparing this valued and amazing Kerala Ayurvedic water, firstly you will have to heat water in a bowl. After boiling it for up to 2 to 3 minutes, add few Padimugam sticks in it. Strain the water and serve hot or cold. You can store this hot water for a period of 12 hours. If you want, you can also boil this water in a copper vessel and try with a small dose. I am using these types of vessels because I feel nauseated with water stored in copper vessel. Kerala Ayurvedic water is a hot drinking water, slightly pinkish in color, used by many people in the state of Kerala in India, and which is also served in many restaurants and homes just before eating. Keralites have proved their diligence and extraordinary brilliance throughout the world. Hope you like this remedy. Take care. Bye.